Heat kills more Americans than hurricanes or tornadoes combined. Heat waves don't make the news like hurricanes or tornadoes, but they're far deadlier. According to the CDC and EPA, between 1999 and 2023, over 21,000 Americans died from extreme heat. In 2023 alone, the toll hit 2,325 deaths. That's more than any single hurricane or tornado event in U.S. history. And experts say the real number may be far higher. Climate Central estimates over 11,000 heat deaths in 2023. And it's not just death. Each year, more than 6,000 people are hospitalized for heat stroke, kidney failure, heart attacks, and severe dehydration. Now in May 2025, cities from Dallas and Phoenix to Miami and Las Vegas are already hitting record-breaking temperatures well before summer even begins. This isn't just weather, it's a climate-driven health crisis hitting the vulnerable hardest. This kind of heat doesn't just test your comfort, it tests survival. So drink up, stay inside, and look out for the ones who can't do it alone. A simple check-in could save a life.